I'm sorry to inform you, but the 99% of the traders you see online living the flashy lifestyle, driving your dream cars, living the life you wish you had, they actually don't make money from trading. They actually make money from something we call Forex influencing. And that's what I'm here to show you. And this is something that you might have come across. People asking, if we were actually making money as traders, why would we need to show you we were actually making money? Why wouldn't we live our private lives and we have to show you that we are making money? That's what we call Forex influencing. And actually, Forex influencing at some point can pay you more than actual trading, because Forex influencing doesn't have any risk. You understand, if you are a trader, you encounter losses and they are inevitable. Okay, and you need to be so smart to make it in the Forex world. Forex market world, yeah. But otherwise, on the other hand, Forex influencing is easy and has more money and less risk. So I will be teaching you how to do it. But before I get to the start, let me clarify. Does actual trading work? Yes, trading actually works. Okay. If you guys have been following me, you know I joined, I think, online 2022. Okay. Yeah, 2022. Okay, but before joining online, if you can, joining online, I came out as an influencer, not as a Forex influencer, as an influencer. I was a YouTuber. Okay, you can search NEBZ and nyathira to confirm. Okay, I was doing pranks. Okay, by then I never knew about Forex influencing. Okay, but you can see I had the ideal life of a normal flashy Forex trader, of which I had made all that where I was. You can go confirm for yourself. Even my first video, I've never mentioned about Forex. If you see my interviews before then, I never mentioned I was doing Forex. So I was not Forex influencing. And yet Forex influencing has been not Forex trading, not Forex influencing. Forex trading has been my income since 2017 to 20 up to date. Okay, but the day I came online, 2022, I started being friends. I got friends with Forex influencer, and they got me in the game. I don't know if they will hate me for revealing this, okay, because I will reveal a lot and you'll see how the game is rigged and how it's actually done. So 2023, I started Forex influencing. I think I joined 2023 and started Forex influencing. You will just confirm the details for yourself because you already know where to find all the details, IG. Okay, so my point is clear. I've been Forex trading from 2017 to 20 up to date. Forex trading. Okay, so I'm trying to prove to you that I'm not here because I'm here. I'm not where I am in life because of Forex influence. Because by the time I was coming out as a Forex influencer, I already had built this house. I already was driving the latest Mercedes at that point. So if you can see, my life hasn't really changed from Forex influencing since back then when I was doing Forex trading. So that was to point out Forex trading actually works, but it takes a lot to get to where, of which I will mention what it takes to be where. But actually Forex influencing is where the real money is. Let's say you want to be a true Forex trader. Now the first thing you will face, even if you are good or how good you are as a trader, will be capital. Where will you be getting this capital? That's one thing. So Forex influencing gives you a chance to get the capital to start Forex trading. Because for Forex, if you are a professional Forex trader, you know you need a lot of money to make a lot of money with less risk. Okay, I'm not going to get into that. I've already taught you guys about risk management before. So with what I'm going to show you about Forex influencing, I will show you how to build trust, okay, how to attract followers, okay, and get paid from that. I will teach you something quickly that is called a niche. Okay, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but it's called a niche. What is a niche? Okay, let's say you are an influencer, but you are focused on showcasing football skills. Okay, now that's a very good niche. Okay, because the kind of adverts that you will be in, whatever platform you will be based on sports. Okay, so let's say a bet site, okay, will actually prefer placing an ad on you than going to someone. Let's say you have 50,000 followers, 50k. They would prefer going to the 50k rather than 1 million that is showing, let's say even 10 million that is showing, let's say something like that is not related to football. Understand? Now, if you are a Forex influencer, you have the best niche. In fact, it's the highest paying niche across the world. Not Forex, but anything to do with money. Okay, Forex, it's a financial. You understand? Anything to do with finances is the most expensive niche. And I'm not talking about YouTube paying you. Actually, YouTube is one way you will be earning, but I will teach you how to make, not just starting a YouTube and how. I know people prefer starting YouTube, but how will you ever blow? You understand? You need to blow on YouTube so that you can make money. So that's why I'm here. You can ride on my fame. You understand? That's why I'm here to tell you how to do it. So I don't know if you have understood the point of a niche. So the moment you are a Forex trader, you will be attracting adverts, okay, from very high paying adverts, okay, brokers, okay, PayPal, Binance, financial systems that actually pay. And once they pay you, and they don't need a lot of followers, because we are dealing with finances, you only need 1k people interested. Maybe you have 1k following, okay, but they are all there because of you talk about money. Okay, so if PayPal pays you, they are sure they will get like even 30 people, of which 30 people is enough to be paying you on a daily. If you have noticed, let's say I was doing pranks, yes, I'm not just saying I was doing pranks, but we have never locked a deal that is concrete to pay us millions, okay, because of the content niche. Okay, I cannot be here pranking you and placing an ad of a private jet, because they assume the people consuming your content, they don't have the capability to buy a private jet. Okay, because anyone that is there being entertained by pranks, maybe he cannot be like a retired doctor, right? Why would a retired doctor be sitting at home watching a prank? You understand? It's called a niche. But they understand, if this guy has been posting about banks, financial system, and we want to advertise a car, that's the best place to advertise. So all I'm saying, it's called a niche. Okay? But so I'm trying to inform you that this is the best niche you can ever do, because you will be a walking demand. People, you will be on high, very, very high demand, because you'll be attracting the right audience. You understand? And if you notice, for me, if I've been influencing for a company, I've worked with them for years. Okay, that's one thing you never see in your normal Forex. A different influencing. You know why? Because I give them value for their money. Okay, but now look at this perspective. If you follow your influencers, maybe they are marketing a bed. Okay, why does the bed company not promote with them for a lifetime? Because it means they are not getting clients. If we are not getting clients, we will not invest more. If we get clients, we will always pay you forever. If you've noticed, if you follow me, or you can go back and confirm, I've worked with only 2 companies since I started Forex influencing, meaning I've given them value. And the company also that I did not stop and change to, because they snatched me. Okay, they offer you a better deal than the company. So that's a proof. Forex influencing actually pays. And what's the time frame to make it in Forex trading? The time frame to make it in Forex trading actually can take you like 4 to 3 years. We all know that. It's a long term, because even if you are so good in trading, you need capital. Where will you get the capital? So for Forex influencing, being here, guiding you every step of the way, it can actually take you a maximum of 3 months, because you'll be riding on my wave. You understand? And remember, I've said I'm actually doing this once and for all. So you'll actually be making money whether trade wins or trade loses. Okay. So for those that will enroll for the course, I will be showing you live evidence of how much I've made. And just to quote, I've previously declined an offer for $5,000 to shoot I think was 5 videos, 5 reels and 5 TikToks. I mean 5 videos that to put on both TikTok and reel. So meaning one video, $1,000, and I declined. So this, for anyone that will enroll in this course, is something I will show you. I will be showing you. We will withdraw together. I will show you. I will prove to you that actually this is the amount I make in Forex influencing, and this is the amount I make in Forex trading. Okay, of which I've already taught you how to. For those that follow me, you have already seen me withdrawing from my Forex trading accounts. So yes, I'm a Forex influencer, but that's not my main thing. As you've seen, as you follow me, that's why I offer free signals. I offer free VIP, because I actually don't need to push you to a corner to pay me, because I know at the end of the day, I will make money from the markets. Okay. That's why I'm open to showing you the secret of we know who. Okay, so just know, everyone in your head you think is your mentor driving this car, living this lifestyle. Why would someone buy 6 cars and live in a house that's not worth even the 6 cars? You know, why do Forex influencers drive bigger cars than where they live? Because they need to prove a point to you. You understand? Okay, so I will teach you how to be like them, and actually it pays a lot with less risk. Okay, so no add-ons. Okay, I think I've clarified everything that will be in the course. In short, the course, I will take your hand like a leaping kid until you are a Forex influencer, until you sit down and make this your actual, like I'm teaching you a whole ass career. Okay, I'm actually giving you a Forex career. I'm giving you a career that will pay more than being a doctor. You have seen how Forex influencers live life. They never fake. One thing people say, they fake, they don't fake. Actually, that's how, whatever you see a Forex trader, what they sometimes we don't balance because of the influence. Sometimes maybe you will see a Forex influencer showing more life than helping their family. It's because showing more life will bring more money than helping the family. So yeah, but actually they don't fake. The lives you see, they are actually there. So you can be among the top ones. You see, in this life we have like 2 people are born 2. We have the bosses and the servants. 99% of the world are born servants. Bosses are those people that are just born. They don't feel like being employed. They feel they have that drive in them. Okay. The bosses, the leaders, they are born, they feel that like they don't want to be employed. They feel like, so that's how we are in the actual life. So that's how we have the Forex influencers. They feel they are the bosses. They need you. They need the servants to be working for them. They need the servants to be paying things for them. You understand? You understand? So because if a guy is a Forex influencer, okay, for how he will make money from the servants. The servants are the normal people trying to trade, okay, and they don't know the bosses are making money from them trying to. You understand? So being a boss, it comes in your blood. That's why I will give you an example. The course is going for 50,000 Kenya shillings. That's like $400, okay? So someone inboxed me, I gave him the rates, and he was laughing. He was thinking, this is a scam inside a scam. So you can see that's a person that is born to be a servant, because a boss will not think like that. A boss thinks like this. Okay, I'm paying 50,000 to NEBZ, and 10 people will pay him 50,000. That makes it 500,000. But why am I actually paying him? You're paying me your 50,000, and by the end of the course, you will know how to make the 500,000 that you've seen me making. So this is like lesson 1 of how it is. So that's the boss mindset. Okay, I'm paying 50,000, but at the end of the course, I'll see how he made the 500,000 and how he made me pay him the 50,000. So I can be doing that for the rest of my life. Yes, you can be doing actually for the rest of your life, as you've seen other Forex influencers do. So, but a servant will think this is a scam, ha ha ha, and that's the way he disappears. But how did that impact you concluding I'm a scam? Yet, even if I was a scam, you are paying me to teach you to be a scam. I'm giving you information. Okay, I scammed you 50,000, but this is how you can scam multiple 50,000. Actually, the 50,000 it's not even worth it if you can come to think of it, because you're paying only one fee, and after that fee, you will know how to make those 50,000 multiple for the rest of your life. Understand? So sometimes that's how the world runs, and we can never change. Even this video will get thousands of views, but at the end of the day, I've said I'm only taking 10 people, okay? Because this is not something, and I'm never going to mention it again. This is just to prove I know how the game is rigged, but at the end of the day, I decide to continue being a Forex trader, a legit Forex trader, and that's how I'm going to lay it over. I'm going to take only 10 people, not 11, not 9. Because at the end of the day, we need people with the boss mindset. Okay? We need people that are hungry to grow in life. People that are hungry to make it in life. So actually we will get 1,000 views, but I'm telling you the world, that's how it is. 90% will always be servants. 90% will always think they know better. They will always think they are smarter, but they never get anything for their lives. Okay, at the end of the day. So I'm actually concluding saying inbox me with the links that I've attached, either IG or Telegram. Okay, the payments are open today. Okay, so guys, in our journey for trading, in our journey for Forex influencing, poverty is the enemy. Okay, don't judge, it's okay, it's religious, it's 100% legal, we are not doing anything illegal. Poverty is the enemy.